The 3055 32-ounce hummingbird feeder by First Nature is a top-quality product designed for hummingbirds, making it a perfect addition to your garden. Crafted from durable plastic, this feeder is both practical and long-lasting. One standout feature of this feeder is its leak-proof design, ensuring that you can enjoy watching hummingbirds without any mess or waste. Easy refill top feature makes it convenient to replenish water or seed, keeping your feathered visitors well-fed and hydrated. The hanging mount design allows you to place it anywhere in your outdoor space, attracting hummingbirds to your garden effortlessly. With a capacity of 32 ounces, this feeder can hold up to 2 pounds of seeds, accommodating the feeding needs of hummingbirds without the hassle of constant refilling. The included hook makes it easy to hang and display the feeder in your preferred location. Measuring at 2L into 2W into 5H and weighing only 6.4 ounces, this feeder is lightweight and compact.
The Perky Pet 9111 SR Cactus Top Fill Glass Hummingbird Feeder is a remarkable addition to any bird lover's backyard. Crafted by Perky Pet, a trusted brand in bird feeders, this feeder is specifically designed to attract and nourish hummingbirds. Made from high-quality glass, this feeder not only provides a sturdy construction, but also adds a touch of elegance to your outdoor space. The unique cactus-shaped design adds a fun and decorative element that will surely catch the eye of both humans and hummingbirds alike. One of the standout features of this feeder is its top-fill design, making it incredibly easy to refill without the hassle of disassembling the entire unit. This convenience factor is a game-changer for bird enthusiasts who want to spend more time enjoying their feathered friends and less time maintaining their feeder. The Perky Pet 9111 SR Cactus Feeder is specifically tailored to cater to hummingbirds, offering them a reliable source of nectar. The flexibility.
The 993091 546 16 ounces Hummingbird Flower Feeder by First Nature is a top-quality product designed to attract hummingbirds to your garden or outdoor space. Crafted from durable plastic, this feeder is specifically tailored to cater to the needs of hummingbirds as the target species. One of the standout features of this hummingbird feeder is its easy refill top, making it convenient for users to replenish the nectar without any hassle. The hanging mount allows for versatile placement options, enabling you to hang it in a location that hummingbirds frequent. Measuring at 17 inches in length, 12.25 inches in width, and 6 inches in height, this feeder provides ample space for hummingbirds to feed comfortably. The vibrant red color is attractive to hummingbirds, further enhancing the appeal of this feeder. With a lightweight design of 0.4 pounds or 6.4 ounces, handling and maintaining the feeder is effortless. Manufactured by First Nature in the USA, you can trust in the quality and reliability.
The Perky Pet 8181 SR Antique Glass Bottle Hummingbird Feeder by Perky Pet is an aesthetically appealing and functional addition to any outdoor space. Crafted with high-quality glass, this feeder is not only durable, but also adds a touch of elegance to your garden or backyard. Designed specifically for hummingbirds, this feeder is equipped to attract these delightful creatures, allowing you to enjoy their presence up close. The clear glass bottle makes it easy to monitor the nectar levels, ensuring that your tiny visitors never go hungry. Additionally, the vintage design of the bottle adds a classic charm to your outdoor area. The Perky Pet 8181 SR Antique Glass Bottle Hummingbird Feeder is simple to fill and clean, making it a convenient choice for bird enthusiasts of all levels. Its sturdy construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the vibrant red base and flowers further attract hummingbirds. Overall, this feeder offers a combination of elegance, functionality.
I recently had the pleasure of trying out the Perky Pet 209B1SR, our best glass hummingbird feeder. And I must say it exceeded my expectations. As a product marketing expert with a keen eye for detail, I was impressed by the thoughtfulness and functionality of this feeder. One aspect that stood out to me is the choice of material: glass. Not only does it add a touch of elegance to the feeder, but it is also durable and easy to clean, ensuring that it will last for a long time. The glass construction also makes it easy to monitor the nectar levels, so you can refill it promptly and keep your hummingbird visitors happy. Another feature that I found particularly innovative is the built-in ant moat. This addition is a game changer, as it helps prevent those pesky ants from reaching the nectar, ensuring that the hummingbirds are the only ones enjoying the sweet treat. It shows that Perky Pet has taken the time to consider the needs of both the birds and the users of the feeder.
The Perky Pet 203 CPBN2 Pinch Waist Glass Hummingbird Feeder by Perky Pet is a well-crafted feeder designed specifically for attracting and feeding hummingbirds. Made from durable glass, this feeder not only enhances the beauty of your outdoor space, but also provides a reliable feeding station for these delicate creatures. One of the standout features of this hummingbird feeder is its built-in ant moat, which helps prevent unwanted pests from accessing the nectar. This thoughtful design element ensures that the hummingbirds have access to clean, uncontaminated food at all times, promoting their health and well-being. The pinch waist design of the feeder makes it not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional, as it provides hummingbirds with easy access to the nectar. The transparent glass construction allows you to monitor the nectar levels easily, enabling timely refills to ensure that the hummingbirds always have a fresh supply of food. Ideal for use in gardens, patios.
As a product marketing expert with over a decade of experience, I am here to provide you with an insightful review of the Pennington Electronectar Hummingbird Food Ready. Crafted by Pennington, a renowned brand in the industry, the Electronectar Hummingbird Food Ready is a premium liquid food designed for hummingbirds of all life stages. The large 64.0 Fel Oz bottle ensures an ample supply to cater to your feathered friends' needs. One of the key highlights of this product is its special ingredient sucrose, which provides essential energy for hummingbirds. The formula is well balanced to meet the nutritional requirements of these delicate creatures, making it a reliable choice for bird enthusiasts. Moreover, the convenience of the ready-to-use liquid form eliminates the hassle of preparation, allowing you to effortlessly refill hummingbird feeders and keep your garden buzzing with activity. In conclusion, the Pennington Electronectar Hummingbird Food Ready is a top-notch product.
The Perky Pet 8171 SR Antique Glass Bottle. Hummingbird Feeder by Perky Pet is a quality product designed to enhance your outdoor space and attract beautiful hummingbirds. Made of durable glass material, this feeder features an elegant antique design that adds a charming touch to any yard or garden. One of the standout features of this hummingbird feeder is its easy refill top, making it convenient to replenish the feeder with water and keep your hummingbird visitors happy. The freestanding mounting type allows you to place it anywhere in your outdoor area with ease. Measuring 5.51 inches in length, 5.49 inches in width, and 10.1 inches in height, this feeder has a decent capacity of 10 ounces, ensuring that you won't have to refill it constantly. The clear glass bottle allows you to monitor the nectar levels easily. Included with the feeder is the Leviton 80409 GUI Decora wall plate, 2 Gangan Gray, adding a touch of sophistication to your setup. With a weight of 1.1 pounds,
Nature's Way Bird Products, MJF1 Nature's Way. Mason Jar Hummingbird Dish Feeder is a top-quality feeder designed by Nature's Way to provide a functional and aesthetically pleasing option for attracting hummingbirds to your outdoor space. Crafted from durable glass, this feeder is built to last and can withstand various weather conditions, making it a reliable choice for bird enthusiasts. The mason jar design adds a charming touch to any garden or backyard, enhancing the overall look of your outdoor area, specifically targeting hummingbirds. This feeder is a great way to attract these beautiful creatures to your yard. The dish design allows for easy access to water, ensuring that hummingbirds can stay hydrated throughout the day. The flexibility of the feeder makes it easy to clean and refill, providing convenience for users. Whether you are a seasoned bird watcher or someone looking to bring more wildlife into your garden, Nature's Way Mason Jar Hummingbird Dish Feeder is a fantastic